it, all new spark plugs, changed the hose, the carburetor, and then the brake hose.
And you said you have the original carburetor?
Yeah, I kept it.
And parts and all of that stuff. Left or right?
Yeah, go ahead and go left.
Never mind. That's a brand new Quadrajet, and he tells me he has the original one. And he also says he has the ducts for the air cleaner. That would be great. Boy, that radiator looks pretty thin. Seems to be in pretty decent shape. Do the lights work?
Yeah. This one, here, I'll show you.
Why is it slow?
Well, over the years, these kind of bow up. So that one gets sucks. Let me start it and I'll show you.
Okay, so this is the laminating here. That's a problem. That is not uncommon. Did she happen to give you the anything like the window sticker or anything like that?
I'd have to go pull out the paperwork and look. I'm not sure.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the radiator hose that I had to replace
Gotcha.
because I was driving it, and the one she had on there, I don't know if it was just old and it like bowed, but it ended up hitting the fan and splattered everywhere. So.
Yep. It's never fun.
And then right here, it was a $30 core charge for the carburetor. I'm like, $30, I'll just keep it.
Yeah.
So that's the original.
Okay, and this got the electronic, I guess.
Yeah, that's hooked into that one.
The newer one. Yep. Cool. I'm glad you kept it.
Yep. Yeah, I wasn't gonna take it back for $30. I was like,
I don't blame you. Oh, it is a Quadrajet. Great.
This is the Quadrajet, yeah.
Do you have the rest of the?
In a box somewhere, I believe
Okay,
she
good.
gave it to me,
Because
but it
that is-
wasn't. This is how I got it from her when
But you have the plastic pieces.
I believe I've got them somewhere.
That would be
yes.
great because those can be expensive. And okay, it's missing one of the flex tubes, but that's no big deal. At least you have most of it here. So, good. That is very good. Seems to be pretty solid. Let me try real quick. Yeah, it works.
There's these two pieces.
I'm going to try to remove one of these panels. I have to look in there, see what the bird cage, at least from this side, looks like. There's a little bit of surface corrosion here and there, but no big deal. No thanks. No worries. I'm also going to check the condition of the dash here. It's kind of loose, but so far this side is in really good shape. Oh, here there's a crack. Yeah. Oh well.
I didn't even realize, because I peeled the other side back and looked, and
You're like,
realized where the what is that, like the little
that's a speaker.
the radio is.
Yeah.
That it did that. I was like, oh geez.
Yeah. And these are incredible, these T-tops. Beautiful. So it has 89,000 miles. details are brand new. Literally brand new. Seems to be all there. Fairly decent shape. Just a few details with these things are broken. That's not a big issue. Got the original jack back there. That's the driver's side sun visor. Just normal wear and tear, I suppose.
Yeah, we'll turn, it'll come up here in a little bit and then we'll turn left.
Damn thing vibrates.
Yeah.
This is a very nice area here.
Yeah, and it's going to be right up here on the left.
This one?
Yep.